Chapter 2 on the Grasshopper and the Cricket. Question 1. Whose voice do you hear on summer afternoons? Where does he go when he is tired? Answer. We can hear the voice of Grasshopper on a summer afternoon. He goes under the weeds to rest when he is tired. Question 2. What happens to birds during summer? Answer. The birds become faint and quiet under the hot sun. Question 3. Where do the birds hide to avoid the heat of the sun? Answer. The birds hide under the shade of the trees in order to protect themselves from the heat of the sun. Question 4. Which insect takes over from the grasshopper in winter? Answer. Cricket takes over from the grasshopper in winter. Question 5. What happens during winter? Answer. The frost casts complete silence over all aspects of nature during winter. Question 6. Who are half lost in drowsiness and why? Answer. During winter, people get half lost in drowsiness because of the weather that spreads a chilling numbness. On the grasshopper and cricket questions and answers. Question 7. Why does the cricket song sound like the grasshopper? Answer. When one is feeling sleepy on a winter night, the cricket songs sound like the grasshopper as we are not very alert and it becomes difficult to differentiate between the two sounds. Question 8. Which words or phrases suggest a sense of relief from the heat of summer in stanza 1? Answer. Cooling trees and pleasant weeds offer a sense of relief from the heat of summer in stanza 1. Question 9. Explain what the speaker means when he says, "The poetry of earth is ceasing never." Answer. The speaker means that the songs of the nature are never ending. Question 10. Discuss the common features between the grasshopper and the cricket. Answer. Both the grasshopper and the cricket are the representative voices of nature's music or poetry. Both offer a soothing effect to the extremities of climate. The grasshopper's song balances the extreme heat during the summer by providing music that is comforting and pleasing. The cricket does the same during winter. Question 11. Why does the poet believe that the poetry of earth is never dead? Answer. The poet believes that poetry of nature is never ending or never ceasing because it continues to offer balm over its inhabitants round the year, irrespective of change in seasons, change in day and night, and so on. There are so many soothing sounds in nature that provide relief to people from the harsh climate. On the grasshopper and cricket questions and answers. Question 12. The grasshopper takes the lead in summer luxury. He has never done with his delights. What luxuries and delights are being referred here? Answer. The grasshopper is fun-loving and cheerful in summer. He keeps the song of nature alive during the season. He sings and flies from hedge to hedge and takes rest under the pleasant weeds only when he has worked hard and found it pleasurable. Taking over the duty of carrying on with the everlasting song of the earth in summer and enjoying it to its fullest is referred to as the grasshopper's luxuries and delights. Question 13. Read the lines and answer the questions. A. Which element of nature has been personified in these lines? I. Silence. E. Winter. E. Frost. I. Rot. B. Whose voice is heard from the stones? I. The cricket. E. The grasshopper. E. The nature. I. The poet. C. What happens during winter? Answer. During winter, hardly anyone steps out, and there is silence everywhere. D. Who is lost in drowsiness? Answer. The people are lost in drowsiness owing to the extreme cold during winter. A. Who does the cricket song resemble to people lost in drowsiness? Answer. The grasshopper. F. Why does the cricket song spread warmth? Answer. The cricket song pours a soothing balm when everything around is encompassed with death-like silence. Question 14. Read the lines and answer the questions. A. Whose voice would run from hedge to hedge? I. The poet. E. The grasshopper. E. The cricket. I. We. The nature. B. The word cooling means. Answer. It means comforting. C. What does the poet mean by the poetry of earth? Answer. By the phrase, the poetry of earth, the poet means the sounds of the birds, the sounds that are abundantly found in nature. D. Why do the birds become faint? Answer. The birds become faint because of the heat of the hot sun.